Hi fellas, Ben back again. So just pulled out the side stand switch. This thing, it's supposed to be working well, but in my case, there's a little bit of an issue. I don't know. Well, I've removed it from the bike, and when I test it here, all's well. But on the trail, um, twice or thrice when my side stand kind of, well, this switch is supposed to be a closed circuit only when this compresses fully. But in my case, while I was riding along with my friends, and twice or thrice I hit a bunch of rocks, and this came out a little bit, just a little bit, my power cut off. And that's quite risky when you do single tracks and a lot of undulations on single tracks. You don't want your side stand to be acting a spoil sport. So what I did is I've just pulled it out of the socket. It goes in here. There is a red connector here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a red connector onto which this gets plugged in. So what I've done is I've just pulled this out, and I've cut the wires here. I'm gonna tape it up really well so that these wires don't contact each other, and they're good to go. You shove this back in and all is well. You have successfully removed your side stand sensor.